Hello there, it's Jason with your week ahead forecast. It's not a bad week this week. You can see behind me, the sky is pretty blue and the sun is shining. And the temperatures here in Scotland is Tuesday at this time of recording at around 19 or 20 degrees. So we're a good few degrees above normal. And high pressure is situated to the west of the country. It's ridging through most of Scotland, northern England, and northern Wales. Northern Ireland are having a really decent day today with a late summer feeling sort of day. Temperatures, as I say, in the high teens or the low 20s for most places. A little bit more humid in the south of England, where you've got some heavy rain and perhaps some thunderstorms as well. Temperatures about 23 degrees, but feeling a lot warmer than that due to the humidity. It's a little bit fresher for parts of Scotland, Northern England, and of course Ireland. It's going to feel fresher night by night, I would imagine, this week. We've got high pressure essentially building from the west as the week goes on. So tomorrow on Wednesday, the high pressure edges in a little bit further. Should be another really nice day for Scotland with lots of sunshine. Temperatures again in the high teens. I don't think we'll see the low 20s tomorrow. I think it's going to be more high teens than anything, but still we're a good few degrees above average for the middle part of September. Things a little bit better for the south, although the front is still a little reluctant to just clear away. So you might find a little bit of cloud and still some rain or showers in the far south, but much of England should have a better day to tomorrow, and the temperature should be in the high teens or the low 20s. As the week goes on, the high pressure to the west is going to slowly but surely nudge its way eastward. What it's going to do actually is introduce a northerly flow. Quite interesting. I'm watching the weather in September just to try and have the winter forecast nailed. So we've had a very warm start to September. First half of September, we'll say, has been warm. Temperature still above average, although not so hot at the moment. Still glorious, as you can see behind me here. However, I think what we're going to find is night by night it's going to cool down, especially in Scotland. So Wednesday night, tomorrow night, for example, the temperatures could be between about 2 and 7 degrees as your minimums. Maybe a little bit warmer than that in the cities, but dropping a little bit further on Wednesday night and into Thursday and into Friday. And I think some sheltered parts of Scotland, possibly having an air frost. One or two places, especially the Glens, maybe getting down to 0 degrees, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 for other areas of Scotland. So it's going to start feeling a little bit chillier and certainly a lot fresher in the morning, much more comfortable for sleeping. We may actually be able to dig the duvet out once again after all those really warm nights we experienced during the summer and last week as well. The weather story is for a really sunny week, really, essentially in the west, especially the west of Scotland and northwestern parts of England, and also for parts of Ireland. You're more likely to encounter some showers or rain in the east of Scotland and in England as well. And this weekend should be bright and sunny, mostly, I would suggest, for the west, although cloud levels will build up through the day, I think. Most of our mornings will start bright and sunny. Some cloud will bubble up in the early afternoon, and the evening should be bright and sunny. I'd say that's what's happening for the west on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Further east, a little bit more cloud, a little bit cooler, because we've got low pressure to the east of the UK. We've got low pressure in Northern Europe. And between the high pressure in the west, the low pressure in the east, we're getting a northerly. And that northerly is cooling things down by day and cooling things down by night, and significantly bringing some showers to the east coast on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Showers, as always, are hit and miss. You may dodge them. You may have some pretty reasonable weather in the east as well. I think most parts, central and western areas, will have some sunshine on all days. West is definitely best. You could escape the rain altogether in the west for the rest of this week and weekend. Although I wouldn't rule a shower out anywhere, and I think it's going to feel a little chilly in the breeze. It's going to feel a little chilly first thing in the morning. And I think temperatures will probably be quite cold first thing in the morning. Of course, it's only mid-September, so the sunshine is still really strong. If you're wondering about the UV index, it's a 5 today within my location. So I think 5, which is the top end of the moderate scale. Don't think we're reaching a 6 anymore. Maybe we might just squeeze a 6 around about 1 o'clock if it's clear sky. But I think generally 3s, 4s, and 5s would be your UV index for the rest of this week, and the pollen count is going down low now that we are approaching autumn proper. Okay. I have lots more detail on the rest of autumn and the beginning of winter. I wrote it up last week, but with everything that's been happening, of course, I just felt I'll hold back for a few days before I post that. But you can look out for that news in the next few days. And wanted to create a video for my YouTube channel, as I've been doing most of my weather forecasts as Facebook Live. So I hope you appreciate and enjoyed the forecast, and I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you again soon. Let me know how the weather is with you. Bye for now, and thanks for viewing this video.